Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself a Wull with the latest mix up and mix downs. You see me? We are going to talk about where the description of the video say. So please consider subscribing. Alright people, so Skillibeng. Right now, I don't even know what to say, guys. I know him baby mother, but we are going to just use the term in baby mother, because you don't know him fine out says a jacket. So anyway, Skillibeng go behind him baby mother, but can do a DNA test to find out if the youth is actually femme, guys. You see me? And the test come out 0%. You see me? If you do understand all of this, you know, you're supposed to know, say, yo, that fuck up. You see me? But anyways, she say him signed the name on the birth paper. And I talk shit, boy, my baby too sweet, cause if you was him dad, you see me, him would ugly. You see me? Guys, comment down below, cause this not right, this not add up, something not add up. Look how long them there, she don't know him ugly already. I was going, people, tell me what going. Anyway, she said I could have leak out a lot, wonder what is that. But I act like a woman and low out petty F things, you see. So this nigga there here before him boss. And he was here with me every single day and night. Couldn't get a break and now your boss. Anyways, guys, read along. If you don't want to pause it, you pause and read. So she said I was happy when he met me. So she say funny how I know him when him page. There 3,000 followers till it reach blue tick, and this is the payback I get. God never say oops. But you know what is my consideration, guys? Oh, you plan for get a nigga jacket and expect the nigga to keep that. That's one thing Jamaican people not run joke with. I'm sure everybody can agree with that down below. You see me? Yeah man, people, so right now Skilly and I seem to get along, you see me? Plus the man of artists that don't look good for him reputation. And I'm sure, you see me, any other artist would have look away upon them side. Yeah guys, so watch a prayer. If you still continuing, if you tune in said way and reach this far, I mean, bless up on yourself, you see me? So over the party, another section of the drama and the mix up your side.
Lava.
Yes.
Tell the guy to send our $40, send our $20 more, send our $20 too.
Let me just see it.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm calling back. I'm calling back.
Lava.
Hold on there. Get it ready? Send $40. Yeah. Alright.
Well, full of credit, America.
Hey, seriously, you hope you don't bump that saying that. It's all you look at it, when they write the letter,
Never upload to the phone because the phone never recognizes because I have one per camera with the blood clot I mean. Yeah. And I mean that the blood clot will be to pick up and your mouth the side of your blood clot. Yes.
Look up
with the whole heap of bump with in your blood clot face. Or the rubbings on your mouth the side of your jawbone like your blood clot fungus. My face did not upload on the blood clot because the two other camera never recognized me. It was buffering. It was trying to find my face. What do you mean? Yeah, I did not upload my blood clot face lava.
Hey, you notice what here? When my face well smooth and pretty, everybody should come and give me a big compliment now. I just have too much goat mouth there on my face still. I notice. Jesus Christ, lava, where are you?
You must change your manufacturer. You change your manufacturer.
Yo. You can't put in $40. Why? Oh, 25, 35. I put 35.
$10 credit.
No, put 35. Put 35. Put 35.
One girl want $10 credit.
Yeah, put 35. Yeah. All right then.
Entourage just send me nothing.
Yo, not bring entourage in my best. Come, I can't body the entourage. Entourage team always mix up with some woman. Some man recap some family entanglement did I go on. I don't know about the story did I boss for man in something really nice. Something really nice.
It's you could write me on this page and I will talk to you. Anyways, Lava. Yes. Right, so one girl says she want $10. Me send her the $10. She want $10.
All right. Well, I do that. All right. Yeah, the details say something on your phone?
Me not have it, you know.
Me not want it on my phone, you know.
Me not have it. Me I send you the money for you. Give the person.
No, I see it. Right. All right, then. We soon call back. Hey, ugly fuck. Call it back.
Yeah.
All right, call it back. I'll give you some credit. Full time. Who else want credit? I was Suko going with.
No, you don't know say Suko a dirty boy. But no, Lava, not that me. But me don't know why Rika never had me. But your two best friends in my war, Lava. You not talk about if your two best friends them. Me never know say that it a come last year. Lava, me like it to see me not stay alive. Me like
we're talking about. I'm lost. We're talking about.
No, Melissa and Tassia, how it really go? I want to say about my Melissa. You know, Jaguar like a dog get a call long time now, but you know long never the life and wait for it. I'm not tell life. What are we love is about Tassia? No, sir. Tassia career end. Me can't want it to go, Lava.
Me not involved in this,
Lava, your two best friend them.
No.
Lava,
Listen,
talk about it. Lava,
leave from around the
Lava,
life.
really start. Lava, my holiday in Atlanta.
Listen,
I'm a
man,
hotel room. I'm get a call.
Listen, I don't know nothing.
No, Lava, you have to know, Lava, your two best friends them. Lava, you don't like, you get call.
Me no know nothing.
Lava, you get the phone call today. You get the call. Lava, you get the call. Me there on the phone when you want make a call. And when you make the call, Lava, the person say, Mama, me so call her back. Hot pot the year. Lava, talk no, man.
Me no know what not talk about.
Alright, Lava, say at them, say you don't know nothing yet. You don't know the start. You don't know the end. Cause it don't look like it end yet, you know. Don't know why the bad man Melissa, you know. And that me hear Melissa say them bad man are about big thing size. When she cash out fun. I want go and Lava, tell me no more.
Me no know not talk about.
New York. Somebody come man in the talk, and me don't really know yet. Cause me have to call Melissa, come on, find out. I saw girl come in and DM me and ask me and plug man there, you know. I'm never saying girl, I'm here come from school, I'm just wind up on plug man anywhere. No, I'm like when them rubber out. When she near boss bitch, she near flat bitch, you know. Bitch, you should have come test Melissa. Cause when they test AC, your career bring the end. I know say when me hear about anything, me just go go and
Well, Annette, you come to the DM?
no, you don't know, so two man the girl is to go school. So,
who is to go school? Who is to go school? Who is to go school?
Flat bitch. Wet boss bitch, flat bitch. Yeah, me and I used to go school together. I know we go school. Me know some of them foreigner. Every minute I know plug man see mumsa and I lost have a mumsa. You know me and plug man are friend. But anyway, me used to go, me used to wind up on plug man. So the one of them used to think the plug man a fuck me. So on the day one you me only hear the girl then I'm there. Send a number quick. So me I say, oh, I must have a party she tell me about. Only we know this girl now. So where you and P-man after P-man she call him. Me say, what you say? Me and him there, come just take a dip on him too. Me tell life on the cocky there and it never go near me. You too hot a girl. So anyone me see him, just go wind up on him because it was your man and you could wind in public with him. None at all. None at all. Just go behind at the back eye when everybody in the party, everybody black who know out. Everybody black who know, but no, me not like me here. Melissa rub her road. Me never know two best friends could have rub out one another. So, but Melissa, what's really bad mind you for? Don't worry about Kevin money. Come my love, tell me more and know.
I just wait. I mean, I know nothing.
Lava, but I'm your best friend, Lava.
But listen, it doesn't really matter. Listen what I'm saying to you. Me just wake up out of my bed and say, Wull, if a thing at me, and me Instagram, I like wagwan.
So, oh yeah, no. I can never know.
But me know nothing to start from. Me know nothing.
No, but Lava, she will stop once. So, if her best friend can say she never look good and she still don't look good, and the fake things they will show wherever I'm so Lava, if you talk to them about them fake something here, you know, why me know them make Stacey just earth up the whole of them head, because Stacey go in, she just comes and a cash out, and the whole of them a try follow, and the whole of them a try take 10 man in a one night and still now nothing. Lava, you saw me still Lava? I have one fucker, when the one fucker give me headache, Lava, I still just stand up firm and strong till a new one come. Me don't run down 2, 3, 4, 5 foot Lava. Why they make them pussy out, give them trouble so much?
Jesus Christ.
No, Lava, when them a get done, them forget blood clot done, because them look like them a blood clot somebody. I mean, want them take on, because I'm telling me now, don't follow mum said, me have a couple business at Jamaica, the apartment, I go sky high, and me soon black out so don't watch me.
Anybody soon black out Ayaktin?
Yeah, because when I build up the big man, so right where acting them, I black him up, make him can't come. See my run come to me, mum said, oh, sell me back your land, no, please, me, I beg. You know why I'm a black him out. I told me I look the next man for Rob, Lava. The next man, because when me have a doctor man, Lava, the whole of them go tell the doctor man bare things. And whenever I go on them things, so when I take man with look a bit of money, I take man because more fuck out of my good. How much this I have and vibrator I have. Lava, me no fuck for free, Lava. But me no sell pussy, Lava. But any man me take up him and for mind me. More than me, man. Myself, I do it too long. And me, I do it too long, Lava. Remember, I miss a tax and tear now. Them girls have fuck for nothing at all, Lava. They for stop it. That's one thing I tell you. We used to come from school and I me get the first drugs dealer, Coco. Me now forget when he used to go to the prison, go fuck him. And maybe the first baby is film one. That's stop walk and clean up the whole of blood clot foreign and go like you're somebody. Guys, nobody can say if you stop it. You don't go like you're a bad girl. Me was friend and me the rape you, but if you stop, me can't too much girl more. Me, if you stop it, if you stay in your lane, if you don't know nothing about I could bring you right there and I could flap you. Don't make dancer trick or no. No, me not drink it. Don't make dancer trick on the people. You know much time them try come for me. Them have to know me know if you stand up in this. In a Sabine, me dance me take the first flight. Dance me open a bar. Dance me get bounty killer spend for me. Dance we like me talk about. If you stop it, if you stop chat, girl, and stop what like son in a competition. Then I win it in a competition.
So killer ever beat with the Amma yet? Killer ever beat with the Amma yet?
Yeah, bright now blood clot. Me turn on the light. The light there. Look for me. Killer would have a dream that. Killer would have a dream that never that. Killer never do that yet.
Okay, I'm ready.
No, but why Lava? Because Killer used to like when me anymore. Killer used to tell me same girl them the right this time. I go for him. I want me go for him. We are war, but him never hammer me yet. Him never keep me yet. But watch people, Lava, I watch them go from pink wall and talk beer shit about me and them don't know nothing about me. Me know how to stay in my lane, Lava. You know me not do the whole for mix up Lava.
Sure.
Me love people. Me see them rub me out with my case and none of them don't know nothing about my case, Lava. Because I'm sure if a boy or a girl come stab me, I go stab them back, Lava.
So why you rush to say like that now?
No, because she too bright. Me and the girl used to go to school and I used to like the girl, you know. Me and her used to be friends in her school because she want ear older than me, Lava. But when she come to me about plug man, me say, oh, me go fight for your cocky when me never take it. And I'm like,